Hello everyone. My name is Shuji, Flying Chef Shuji, unable to fly. So I'm going to hike up the mountain today and to cook just 1 cup of rice. Just 1 cup. Just for me today. And before I leave home for this mountain, I need to wash my rice. Just 1 cup. 1 cup is good for 2 people. I'll eat the rest, left over for dinner. Just rinse off the murky water. Quickly remove any dust, and with the palm of your hand gently, kind of a kneading it. Knead or just wash. That'll do. Nice and quick. Not a lot. Again, this murky water I save to water our garden. Veggies, organically grown veggies, and the flowers my mum grows. She looks after. And I look after my organic veggie garden. Not much veggie growing during winter time because we don't get much sunshine in our garden, so only grow limited vegetables such as green onions. They're sweet after the frost, covered with the frost this morning. So the frost is freezing, so in order to not get frozen, they produce the green onions. Negi produce the sugar, so they go sweet during the winter months, so they're nice. So just drain half an hour or so, and then I put it in a plastic bag or something and pack it in my bag and go hiking and cook on top of this mountain. Okay?